Your sub-Aspida can be connected to any standard PC or laptop using the USB cable. The USB socket is located in the back of the unit between the rechargeable batteries. If you are unable to charge the unit using the 9-volt DC charger, you can replace the two rechargeable units with two standard AA batteries.
The Analox sub-Aspida software tool allows you to enable users by clicking the user box and typing the details in the box underneath. This can be repeated for a second user in the boxes on the right. The software tool allows you to change the date and time, as well as enabling and disabling alarm functions. It allows you to change the logging period. By clicking on the sensor settings icon, it takes you to the sensor settings menu. Click on the CO2 icon and we can now change the alarm settings for going high and going low, as well as changing the alarm hysteresis. By clicking the calibrate box, a drop-down panel appears, and this is a step-by-step process for calibrating the unit using the software tool and certified calibration gases. We can change the gas settings to match those of the gases being used to calibrate the system. In this case, we're changing the high setting to 5.0%. The menu also shows you how to connect up the calibration gases to the unit and to set the correct flow of gas across the sensors. Once you have gas flowing across the sensors, you can then click on the next icon at the base of the box. This will then take you to the next window. The next window shows the current readings. These readings will rise to match those of the gas being used to calibrate the system. Once the readings match, you will find the red not stable will change. Steadily, the numbers will rise and gradually slow until they do match. At this point, the red wording not stable changes from not stable to stable, which will show in green. Also, the greyed out calibrate window underneath the current readings will become active. Click on the calibrate window. The unit is then calibrated. This can be repeated for the low settings. By clicking on the O2 symbol, you are taken to a similar menu for the O2 sensor. You will notice on the O2 menu a second date with green arrows next to it. This date is the change-out date for the oxygen sensor. The rest of the menu remains the same. On the left side of the screen you have the save settings, the download settings and the data download menus.